Do you want to go viral with just one click? You want to see those engagement, subscribers, and also make the money? Are you still spending hours editing videos for TikTok, Reels, or Shorts? Not anymore. Because in this video, I'll show you how to use Klap AI to create viral videos. So make sure you stick to the end so you don't miss anything.
Did you know that you can turn any video into viral shorts using AI? Go to Klap.app, paste in any video URL, then click Generate. In a few minutes, the AI will generate short edits of the most interesting part of the video, including intelligent framing and engaging captions like those ones. It will even generate for each video the likeliness of it going viral. After that, you can of course customize everything like the caption style or the framing before you export the video to Full HD.
Don't forget, this is Ray Creators Lab, where we bring you everything AI and online tools that you can use to streamline your daily workflow. Kindly support me by hitting that subscribe button. The question now is, how do I get started? Well, getting started with Klap is super easy and straightforward, and I'll show you. The first thing you need to do is to follow the link in the description below, and you will be taken to Klap website. This is the interface that will welcome you. Now click on Get Started if you are new, or you can click on Log In if you have signed up before. Go ahead and sign in with your Gmail or any other email address and also a strong password. This is your dashboard. Simply paste your YouTube link or drop the file and watch the magic happen. Now we have to answer another question, and that is, how does Klap work? Simply paste a link to your YouTube video or upload a video file into Klap. The rule of thumb is that a 1-minute long video produces about 5 video clips. Just sit back and relax while Klap does all the work for you. In a matter of minutes, Klap gives you multiple viral-worthy clips from your original video that you can use for Reels, TikTok, or Shorts. Finally, after you make any final touches on your clipped videos, you're all set to export them in high resolution and share them on your other social channels. Get ready to see your followers and engagement grow. So what are you waiting for? Start growing your audience across all platforms by posting engaging short videos every day. Automate your content strategy and let Klap do the heavy lifting. Don't forget to follow the link in the description to get started. Let's hear what the users are saying. Foad K says, this is an amazing experience for all content creators to 5x their work speed. Before using this app, I had to use a text-to-speech service, another software to edit and tune the subtitles, another one to apply animations, and another one to video edit. Klap intelligently does all these tasks and curates the content at the same time, and all of this for free. Can you believe it? Helsha went on to say, so powerful, I recently found it through a YouTube video. Very simple to use and performant. I love it. Finally, let's just take one more from Anastasia G. And she said, it's a game changer for video editing, it's user-friendly and saves a lot of time. Highly recommend. Kindly leave your comment below and let me know what you think about Klap.